Hello, I'm Val. This is Solo Charleston and Uptown Swing. We did airplanes and we did around the world, so I'm going to show them in one combo of single kicks, double kicks, quadruple kicks. So you'll see that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, airplanes. More airplanes. And then around the world. And then you can do it again. Around the world, we talked about how it's technically quadruple kicks. So you kick forward, turn, kick back, kick forward, turn, kick back. Then we did some basic Charleston stuff. So we started with just basic Charleston. Then we did this little push away turn. So it's a rock step and you turn. Then we also did 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we could turn it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or you could combine them. So you do push and turn. Pa, pa, pa. And that's what we did. At the end, we also did lock turn real quick. We go like this. Kick and rock step. Lock, turn. That was your little break for Charleston basics. That's it.